A new technology is being developed that could revolutionize the manufacturing industry. 3D printing may one day allow people to produce all kinds of everyday items from the comfort of their own homes. The race to perfect the technology is the latest craze sweeping California's Silicon Valley. Mark New reports.
This $1,400 box may be the key to revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. Type A Machines of San Francisco is part of a wave of startups that has created a printer that can do this.
You can melt stuff and squeeze it out and put it down in very precise patterns. And if you stack enough of these on top of each other, you can make something like this, which is kind of crazy. It really is that simple. If you can get your idea out of your head and into the computer, then you can get a physical object.
Type A Machines printer, the Series 1, recently won Make Magazine's Best in Class for mid-range price 3D printers. But the competition to be in homes first is intense. Startups are competing with publicly traded companies like 3D Systems and Stratasys. The stock issued by both companies have more than doubled over the past year. U.S. office supply chain Staples also just announced it will offer 3D printing services at stores in Belgium and the Netherlands next year. Technology analyst Rob Enderle says while mass production on 3D printers is still decades away, product prototyping can be done on 3D printers right now at a fraction of the cost.
Far cheaper, far faster. So that means products come to market far more quickly, and the little guy inventor can come up with ideas and prototype them affordably where they couldn't before.
Prototyping is exactly what the Series 1 does best because it prints using an eco-friendly corn-based plastic. Rudder says it's inevitable that other materials will be available for do-it-yourself 3D printing in the future, meaning toy companies, parts suppliers, and virtually any product makers need to beware.
This is a hugely disruptive technology to so many people, and the only ones that will survive will be the ones who can adapt fast enough. It'll become such an accepted tool that people will say, well, actually, I'm not going to drive, an hour away to go and buy a coat hook. I'll print one.
As I found out, all one needs is an app to capture your subject. With some computer design skills, you're almost there, because then all you have to do is hit print and wait for your product to finish. Mark New, CCTV, San Francisco.